Your portions are done. Aditi, how about you?
SST.
SST.
Not able to finish only.
Okay.
Very big.
So last class we discussed about which one volume surface area done now.
Yeah.
Okay, now today we have to do the last topic, which is graph.
Statistics. Yes.
All of you brought the graph now?
Yes.
3 yes.
So it was like lucky level.
4 yes.
4 yes.
Now other two come, will they come, will they bring also chalo. Graph, okay, statistics, okay. For the statistical, first basic certain things are the data collection. I have heard about data, primary data, secondary data. Heard about these two words. Data means you know what is meant by data. Huh? Data. Have you heard about data? Information. Data collection, the information. Okay. Obtaining the data means certain information about certain things. Okay. So this data can be collected in various ways. Okay. Suppose if I ask to find the mark of every student, I can ask one by one and note the mark. All the students one by one. What is your mark? What is your mark? What is your mark? That way I can collect. If the UP test paper, I can go to UP's website or wherever the marks entered from there, I can get the data. Yes or no? So there are two ways. Or school exam, school they have a record, school record I can get the data. So what is these are the two different ways of data is coming. What are the two different ways? One is directly I collect or through some sources I collect. Directly if you are collecting the data, that data is called primary data. Data which is collected directly from the person to person. Directly go ahead and collect, that is called the primary data. If I go through some person, your data is collected from some other sources, that is called secondary data. Are you followed what is the difference between primary data and secondary data? Aditi, what is the difference between primary data and secondary data?
Primary data, the data is collected from one person to another person directly.
Okay.
Secondary data, there is like a middleman.
There is a person we are collecting from the other person. Okay, other sources we are collecting. That is called the secondary data. Alright. So when hearing the data or the collection, we will come to know what is primary data, what is secondary data. Okay. So that is all. This is the first part it is coming as. Then after once if we collect the data, we will tabulate. Tabulation and representation of the data. Okay. Tabulate means you will be different ways to represent. Tabulation we will do it. Different ways to represent means one is the data can be given. One is graphical method. This year we are going to discuss about the graphical method. Previous year we have done how to make it the raw data. You know what you have about raw data? What do you mean by raw data? The data is written as it is. If there are 50 students, marks of 15 students are this, put comma and write it. That is called the raw data. Not sequence, nothing, just writing. I got all the data. Some number is repeating, some number is not. Not unorganized way, just writing the data. That is raw data. Okay. Later, that can be arranged in an order. Specific order means it can be either it is in ascending order or descending order. When we arrange the data and when any value is repeating number of times, that many times that value writing. Arranged data or arrayed data we say. Okay, that is a little organized. Then after that we will make into tabular formats, table formats, which one we say as frequency distribution. There are two types of frequency distribution. One is called ungrouped frequency distribution. What is the meaning of ungrouped frequency distribution means? Like the value of the variable we write. Value of the variable means data is about which one. Suppose the marks of the student means marks are called the variables. And number of times you repeat, that is called the frequency. Suppose if I write this way, x and f. X means the variable. Now, what are the variables are there? You will see which are the numbers are there. Let's say the variables are 3, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. Okay, marks are out of 10. Then you will write 3, 4, 10, 5, 11, 8. Do you know what he followed? What is these are the values? X represent the marks of the students. Means various students. The students are getting which are the marks obtained by the students? Some students are getting 3 marks, some are getting 5 marks, some are getting 6 marks, some are 8, 9, 10. Is there any student got 7 marks? No, according to the data, nothing. 4 marks nobody is there. Okay. Now, how many students got 3 marks? Frequency. How many students? 3 students got how many marks? 3 students. 3 marks. How many students got 5 marks? 4 students. And 10 students got 6 marks. Okay. Then 11 students got 9 marks. Okay. What is the maximum number of students got marks? Which is 9, which is the maximum number of students got the mark. Isn't it? Maximum is among which one which is the maximum. Least number of students got which mark? Smallest frequency 3. Okay. How many students got the maximum mark? 8. Yeah. 8 students got the maximum marks. The maximum over here is 10. Like that you can learn. Identify. Suppose if they are this one, if the passing mark is more than 5, how many students are passed in the exam? How will you do it? More than 5, which are they? These 3. Add all these ones. 10 plus 5 plus 11 plus 80. 8. That is the answer. Okay. Understood or not? Okay. So this is a pass. How many students? They will tell this is the pass mark or this one. How many students they will between this and this. This is the one. Are you followed? This is called frequency distribution. Little more ungrouped frequency distribution. Okay, this is called tabulated data. In this one, ungrouped frequency distribution. Next will come as grouped frequency distribution. Do you know what is the meaning of group frequency distribution? We will write this one sometimes, this one has a lot of values. Suppose if there are, let's say, marks out of 80, then we have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe till 80, so 2, 2, 2. Then we will group it into a class intervals. Maybe I can write as class intervals are 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, okay, 40, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, and 70 to 80. Okay. Then we will write F means the frequency 7, 11, 14, 21, 28, 24, okay, 16, 4. You got it? So what does it mean? There are 7 students are getting how many marks? 0 to 10. Between 0 till 10. Okay. Do you know what is the exact mark of this student? We don't know. That is the mark between 0 to 10. That is a group one. 11 students are getting 10 to 20. And like that is coming. Are we followed? Now over here, if a child is getting 10 marks, which is included in which class interval? Is it 0 to 10 or 10 to 20? 0 to 10. No, 10 to 20. What is the meaning of 10 to 20 means? Including 10, excluding 20. Lower value is included, upper value is not included. 50 to 60 means what? What is included? 50 is included, 60 is not included. Are you followed? Okay now, clear this one. So these are called the class interval. Okay, this is the class interval. This is called continuous class interval. I will show you what is okay. I don't also right. Suppose somewhere you will see this way: 1 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 30, 31 to 40. That's a 41 to 50. Frequency. Let's see. What happened? I was this every Thursday I will speak. Last Thursday you left and you went over there. You brought the graph and all. Yes or no? Go and get the graph and all. Graph scale pencil. There is a shop with there. Go and buy it. Why you taking around that? Huh? How to graph get it now? Without graph you cannot do it. Okay. So there's a village 5, 11, 12, 14, let's say 5. In this case, what happened? By seeing that she got sugary. 1 to 10. What is the meaning of 1 to 10? Here both 1 and 10 both are included. Here 11 to 20 because there is no 11 over here now.
Sir?
No? Huh?
Oh, okay.
Look the difference over here.
Oh.
Here it is 0 to 10 started 10.
Understand.
So here it is 11 it started and 20 is ended. So 11 also included, 20 also included. See, look over here. This is 10 to 20 and 20 to 30. So should where you put 20? 20 is here. Here it is not like that. 11 to 20, that's not start with 20, 21 to 30. So in 21 to 30, both are included. This is called inclusive. What is it? Inclusive. Both are included. That word is not there for you. That is for ICC. This is called exclusive. Anyway, you have to remember this one. This is called continuous. This is called discontinuous. Not continuous. See, it is not continuous. Have you followed? Okay. Now, next is we will study two more things. Got it finally? कहाँ से? UT. Everything is in a will be using. So tomorrow
Sir, mic here, sir.
Huh?
Mic here.
Bike here. कौन से? Oh.
For example, 2 rupees.
Oh yeah. पैसा दिया? He's showing me this way as if I don't know. I know it. Okay. That is such a mistake. So 10 rupees will give, no?
Yes.
Okay, so come here. From where is the graph? UT only? Okay, chalo. Now look here. So this one, this is the difference here follow. This is called continuous. Now look over here. This part you have to remember because the questions will come. These are called the class intervals. Here total how many class intervals are there? How many class intervals are there? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 class intervals are there. Okay. Consider the class interval 1, 2, 3, 4. This, let's say this class interval. Okay. What is the class interval? 30 to 40. Frequency is 21. Let's analyze certain things. What is the class limits? Class limits means 30 and 40. What are the class limits here? 30 and 40. 30 is called the lower limit, lower class limit or lower limit. 40 is called the upper limit. What is the lower limit? 30. And the upper limit is 40. Following or not? Okay. What is the frequency of this class? 21. Have we followed three things? What is 30? Lower limit. What is 40? Upper limit. What is 21? Frequency. Now two, three words more. Next one is called class size. Class size. There are three words are there we use for this one. Either class size or class width or class height. All are same thing. Size, width, height. Do you know what is the difference between these two? 40 minus 30. How much is 40 minus 30? 10. So class size is equal to 10. Or class height or class width all are 10. It is called. Have you followed that also? Next one is called class mark. This is important one you need. Okay. How you find out class mark? Class mark or middle value of the class. Lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. Add and divide by 2. 30 plus 40 divided by 2. 35. Middle now. 70 by 2. Have you followed? So I said every class interval. I said what is lower limit? What is upper limit? Size, frequency, class mark. Is it clear? Yes. All of you followed. Aditi followed. Okay. Aditi. I marked one class interval. Which is the class interval I marked? 50 to 60. Okay, Aditi, tell the following values. What is the frequency of this class? 24. What is the upper class limit?
60.
Lower class limit? 50. What is the class size? 10. What is the class mark? Bapri. How will you get?
50 plus 60.
Lower limit 50 plus 60 divided by 2. So middle will come. Middle is 50 plus 60 by 2 is 55. Are
We
you
have to add it.
add and divide by 2. Lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. Understood or not? Sure. Okay then. Dia, for this class interval, what is the lower limit? What is the frequency? Upper limit. Class mark. Class mark.
Sorry.
How will you get it?
Add it and
70 plus 80 divided by 2, that is equal to 75. Are you followed? And what is this 10?
70.
What is 10?
Class size.
Class size or class width or class height.
75.
75 is class mark. Understood all of you? Sure, all of you followed? This one. Now, is all clear now? The class and all, you have to know it. If there are fill in the blank GQs and all comes, then you should know it how to do. Now look here, the next one. Look over here.
What is X?
X is the variable. Okay, it is depends on. It shows what the data is based on what. If the mark means X is the mark, or what is the size or something, X is the size, whatever. Or number means number of children. Okay, X is the number of children. Okay, the family. Okay, like that, whatever. Okay. Now, next is this one is called discontinuous class interval. How I am going to make it into continuous, that you should know. Okay. How will you make it into continuous means you have to make, that means you have to make it into, see, if it is ending, same thing should end over here, start over here. Okay. So 10 means 10 should be started. Or 11 means 11 should be. So the gap is there, no? Gap has to be removed. How to do this one means first you have to find out what is the adjustment factor. What is it? Adjustment factor. What is the meaning of adjustment factor? 99.9% of the cases it will be 0.5. How it is getting means difference between lower and upper limit of any class, any two class. See, 10 and 11. What is the difference? 1. Take the difference 1. Divide by 2. 1 by 2 is 0.5. Okay. Majority of the cases adjustment factor is 0.5. Clear? There are cases there that will be, I will explain. Aditi is not listening. Listen. So 0.5. Now what you have to do means subtract 0.5 from lower limit. Add 0.5 to the upper limit. Find the adjustment factor. So most of the cases, what's the adjustment factor? 0.5. What do you have to do? 0.5 is subtracted from lower and 0.5 added to the upper. So when you 0.5 subtracted, 1 minus 0.5, how much? 0.5. Add 10 plus 0.5, how much? 10.5. Same process, 11 minus 0.5, 10.5 till 20.5. 20.5 till 30.5. Are you followed? 30.5 till 40.5. 40.5. This is your continuous class interval. See, we made it to continuous class interval. When any graphical representation means you have to make it into continuous, that is from 100%. Any class interval continuous graphical representation when it is coming. You are going to study two types of graphical representation. One is called histogram and second one is called the frequency polygon. Both of them, the class interval should be made continuous if it is not continuous. This is called continuous, this is discontinuous. You have to make it into continuous. Are you followed? So this chapter, what all things we have discussed, data we discussed. In data we discussed what is the meaning of primary data, what is the difference between primary and secondary data. Do you know what is the difference between primary and secondary data, Tanish? Do you know? Tell what is the difference between primary and secondary data. Anand.
Primary is information collected from a person directly.
Directly from the different collected directly, it is called primary data.
And secondary is the information collected from different sources.
Different sources, from sources that person it is coming in, that is called the secondary data. Indirectly.
Sir, after making it into continuous, we will consider now the 10.1 or will not.
If it is continuous, this value does not belong to this class. Okay, 10.5 will belong to here. If it is continuous means upper limit does not belong to that interval. Okay, if it is not continuous, both will belong to that interval. Clear? All of you, everyone? Okay. So now, three types, mainly we are going to study three types of graph over here. First one is called histogram. Sorry, before that, first one is called bar graph. You know what is bar graph? Data will be given, different bars will be put in. Different would bar means what? You will be, the width should be same, space between the bars should be the same. Okay, data will be given, width will be the same, 1 centimeter means everywhere 1 centimeter. Spacing between everyone, gap will be there, gap will be the same. You know that. Understood all of you? Okay. That you will see, that's a simple one, you did already. Even histogram also you must have done. Have not done. School grade standard, no. Okay, we will do that. Bar graph is done, no?
Yes.
Bar graph was done. Bar graph, different types of bar graph you must have done. Adjacent bar graph. No? That is social studies here. No? Chalo, continue. So, bar graph. Okay, simple bar graph only we have directly data will be your make the bar graph. Okay. So, let's start doing this chapter. Okay. So, one problem. Class mark, all of you must remember, okay, how will you calculate class mark? Class mark.
By adding
Adding
Lower
the
limit plus upper limit divided by 2. There are two things you have to remember, okay, right? In your notebook, statistics. Right, first one. Huh? Let's see. Right, statistics written. Yeah, first you write range. Range. It is the difference between largest and the least. Difference between largest and least of the observations. Largest and the least value of the observations. Largest and least value of the observation. Are you following? For example, over here, do you know what is the range of this one? Largest and the least value. What is the range of this one? What is the largest value? 10 is the value, variable, okay. 10 is the one. And what is the least value? 3. 10 minus 3. 7. Suppose if I take this one, which is the largest value? Okay, this one, class and level. 80, least value? 0. 10 to 80 minus 0. 80. Understood? Or if a data, raw data is given with highest one minus smallest one. Range. Okay? Next, second one you write class mark. Class mark is equal to lower limit plus upper limit.
also minus 4.
Divided by 2. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. Minus 9 upper limit. Okay. Okay. Third one, right? Class size. Class size. What's the formula? Upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit minus lower limit. Later we
Largest और least value कौन सा इसका था?
largest minus least value. है ना?
Range.
Range is largest minus least value. Next is another one is you will study cumulative frequency. That later I'll explain to you. Okay, at last then yeah. So okay, done. Class height and class size are same thing. Class height, class width, class size all are same thing is equal to upper limit minus lower limit. Okay. Now, yes. Who is missing? Are you signed the attendance sheet? No. Okay. No. Page number 148. Diya. No. What?
Sign.
That later you can send. Okay. Diya. Read.
Give five examples of
Are
data.
in production?
Okay, sorry. Data, five the figures collect.
Data.
Figures collected with a definite.
Definite purpose are called data. Okay. Then.
Statistics.
Hmm.
It's a branch of mathematics which deals with the collection, presentation, and analysis of data as well
Data
as
nahi data. Data how will be data? First time you anywhere you study data? No.
data.
Data.
Data as well as drawing a meaningful
Conclusions from the data.
Data.
Okay. Okay. Statistical data.
Or of two types. Primary data, where an investigator collects data himself with a
Definite plan.
In his mind, it is called primary data. Secondary data which are not originally collected, rather obtained from published or unpublished sources are known as secondary data.
Secondary data. Okay, this is clear, all of you. Okay, let's come to this one. Question 12.1. Okay, give 5 examples of data that you can collect from your day-to-day life. All of you can list out 5 data. You think and write 5 anything.
Give example.
Sir, height of class.
Height of
Age of
height of students of the class, no?
Age of this.
Age, if you are taking, means all of them are the same. Almost same. Or if it is 14, one difference. So writing. Let's see whatever. Let's see what is it coming. Any 5 examples. Are you writing new book? 5 examples. Think and write now. 5 examples. What you can make. Let's see whatever it is. All 5 are writing. Don't tell me. After that I will ask you. It can be primary data or it can be secondary data. Any 5 data. Got it? Real or not?
No.
So you think how many data? Done. How many? Done. Who? Aditi did. How many got? 2.
Sir, can we consider
You write, we will discuss now.
data and table?
Anything and whatever you want to write, you write. Let's see, that is a collection of data. Done 5.
Yes, sir.
Wait.
Sir, done.
Two.
This much time, cool to done.
Sir, 5 done.
Sir, wait.
You,
No.
how many done? 2. You, 3.
Still thinking.
How many? How many? If I tell you Harish over here, it's correct. Okay. Anything you think now? Enough time now. Let's discuss with the first is. The first Tanish will read, then you will come to an idea now. Okay, tell me what is the first
Height of class.
height of
Class.
class?
Classroom.
Classroom. What is classroom? Height of classroom. What does it mean?
Any
Students here telling.
yes, class.
Height of students of a classroom, that will not come as a data, because yes, correct. So height of students in a classroom.
Number
How
of
will
people.
how now wait? Now you have to tell how will you take the data?
Sir,
You can measure, okay, measuring
it's
data.
primary.
You according to you measuring and taking primary data.
The
Okay.
number of people traveling from public transport.
Number of people from where you are getting where?
Bus. Bus.
No, from data you are collecting from where? Which source you collect?
Secondary data.
How will you get it?
Collected.
From where?
People collected.
Ticket collector, ticket collector, you can get number of people traveled by the bus in a day.
Sir, I'm
Number of people, so in a day, from you will go to different, you will go to every bus and you will ask, okay, how many people were there? So
No,
ticket.
sir, in a particular bus.
Particular bus, number of people collected, that means one data will get, na? You have to get a list of data, no?
Sir,
Or number of people who travel in that bus every half an hour or every journey. है ना? If there are 25 journeys are in journey for how many people, journey to how many people. Yes or no? Simply if you are writing means that is only one value, no? Data means a gather of information.
Number of people with same name.
Number of people with same name. From where?
So,
From where? From where? Same name means where?
no, number of people with same name.
Same name. How will you collect also you have to tell? Same name, okay. There is Tanish.
Sir, from the online platform.
Online platform में like will you able to get same name Tanish communicate online platform Tanish how many people are with the name Tanish possible to get otherwise you can tell us in the society in my
Sir, from
society
that list, when from that population list.
population list okay but population में name नहीं है ना okay or you go to the society there are let's say 200 flats are there you will tell okay which are the names with this one. That also different, most of them are different. Okay, somewhat okay. Then over for how many is that? 5.
Yes.
Okay, yes, this man. Tell what is your
Number of shops at road. Number of shops on road.
number of shops on a
Road.
so then where how many road you will go to various roads.
No, this road.
This road then what is it? Number you counted and you will get one data. That is the thing,
Number of shops in Error.
Nay, number of different types of type. Okay, number of in the neighborhood, number of different types of shop, number of milk shops, number of sweet shops, number of this one. That is the data. Yes or no? Or number of medical shops, vegetable shops. Okay, cloth shops like that. You can identify and you put it. Computer shop, mobile shops in neighborhood. Okay, not number of shops means I will get okay one value will get. So in Nerul I have let's say 25,000 shops are there. Not that one. In that one you will put a bifurcation. Or in Nerul milk shops this many. Okay, meat shops this many. Okay, vegetable shops are this many. Medical shops, mobile shops. So 10 different names you give and others. And the means others category. Yes, good. Okay, you.
Height of the students.
Height of the students is said already. Okay. Something else.
Number of students in different classes.
Number of students in different classes where of a school. In a school, in different sections, you can go and tell. Yes, number of students. Okay. Yes.
Number of marks student got.
Marks obtained by students in a particular subject in a particular examination. Okay.
Number of the students in sports of different classes.
Number of students are participating in sports in different classes. Okay.
Weight of the students.
Weight of the students of a class. Okay, weight you can do it. Okay. Yes, you.
Sir, one so what he said first was attendance.
Attendance,
In class.
Attendance month daily attendance, means
Like
number
for a
of
week.
number of the month, number of students absent in the class for the month. So you can tell on, so you can collect from that is called primary or secondary data.
Primary.
Only primary data, you will sit in the class for 30 days and collect. It can be a secondary data, like go to the class teacher. Class teacher has the record now. Then you will ask, okay, on first how many attendance register? No. Okay, that you can consider secondary data. Okay, then.
Cost of the electrical bill in a week for a week.
Cost of the
Electrical bill in a week. Like every day, how much electrical bill is coming?
weekly electrical bill where it is come?
Monthly.
Monthly bill of where?
That's from
Learning. Monthly bill of let's explain completely.
For house.
Every house in a society, monthly electricity bill of every house in a society or in that particular area, that is okay, correct.
Then somewhat it is similar to what they said.
Tell now, whatever you tell.
Number of people coming in a birthday party.
Bundle people, coming as what data?
Can I understand something else?
Okay, number of people come in a birthday party means the only one number of, so that is not a data will be considered. No, different data should be coming. Okay. Yes, you. What did you
I
get?
got only 3.
Which are
They
three?
are the same one.
Which are they? Same thing.
Number of birthday parties at same time in same city.
Number of birthday parties in the city celebrated. That okay. Here, number of birthday parties celebrated in a particular hotel in a daily basis for a month. Okay. That okay in a month. Okay, go to a particular hotel. Okay, in this place, birthday party celebrated. Okay, on 1st of April. How many are there? 2nd April, how many are there? Okay, you.
We auto completion record of students in each class.
What is it? How will
How
you
many
get?
students are completed?
How many that who will get the data?
The teacher.
My teacher will have a data of the how to completed students. Every teacher has a data of how
Yes.
come. Do you? I don't think.
Yes,
Teacher
yes,
will
I
have,
do.
teacher will tell only completed, stand up, not complete, complete it.
No, the number wise.
Remark. Okay.
Then number of sports players in each class.
Number of players in each class. Okay.
Number of bakery shops in neighborhood.
Hmm.
And
Number of
bakery shops in neighborhood.
bakeries, that is one data only, no? Number of bakery shop means you will count and say, okay, there are 25. That is not a data, no?
Or attendance of students in each class.
Attendance of students in each class, holiday attendance. There are like like okay, like in a society, quantity of milk consumed every family in a society, number of children in a family of in the building, every society, number of girls in a family of the society,
And the age of people born on
huh?
the same day.
Age of people,
Born on the same day.
age of
They
people
have
born.
ages but same birthday. They have different ages but they have the same birthday. That will be
They age of how will you get the data? Huh? I will ask you to collect data, but from where? You cannot get the data like that, no? If you are going to collect survey, that is not possible surveys, no? Like that, certain things which are possible, or newspapers read by different people in the society. Okay, which are newspapers read? Okay, working number of people working in a family.
Manufactured in
Number of people working in a family. Understood or not? Number of students in a family by your society. Like that, these all data are there. Number of people daily travel more than 10 kilometers in the society. Everybody, how there are people like your sometimes your mummy, she traveling always. No. So a lot of mummies will be there at home only. Students may be only nearby school means in only 1 kilometer maybe sometime. Some people go traveling, that is it. Going, coming and all where. So how many kilometers you travel today? If there is no school, will you go where how many you travel maximum the shop and all half kilometer?
what?
If you don't have school and all no, people it's not that all will travel that more than 10 kilometers. No? Every day.
After going from tuition.
Okay, chalo, these are now you have to classify which is primary data and which is the secondary data. If you collected like attendance and for secondary data, understood or not? Okay, example they can ask, so you will be getting us. Now, question homework like so, homework exercise. What is the first question? Go to house and find out number of children up to the age of 5.
What?
Homework exercise read. Go to house, classify which are primary or secondary. Go to house and find out number of children up to age 5 who was not taken polio drug. Primary data, है ना? Second one, investigator collects the information from
Secondary.
the records. Okay, secondary. Data collection in a population census. Secondary. Okay, now next. Raw data. Original form it is written. Raw data will is the range. Highest between highest and
lowest.
okay. Now, first is graphical representation of the data, bar graph. Today we are going to discuss about bar graph. I already explained bar graph. No, you can see the bars are drawn over here. Next page number 149. Have you seen grocery, this one and all? Okay, so made over there. So let's come to page number 152, exercise 12.2. Okay. 12.2, class work. 12.1 is just now, primary, secondary.
Oh, yes.
Only one exercise.
No, this is containing not much graph drawing only. Takes time. Okay. Now, class real, read the first question.
Survey conducted by an organization for the cause of prevalence and death among the women between the ages 15 to 44 in years worldwide found the following figures in percentage.
Represent.
Represent the information given above graphically, which condition is the major cause of women's health.
That we will
and
that are from the data. First is graph.
The reproductive health.
Now that's always first is the graphically you have to represent. Okay, so which graph it will come over here?
Bar graph.
Bar graph. All of you draw the bar graph, you know. Draw the graph, bar graph. Take out the graph paper.
So I could
The why to draw. Represent means you will write why to draw. You don't have?
what?
Draw now.
So I don't like to draw.
So exam question comes, I don't like to draw. Teacher will give a shabash beta. Teacher will still give mark.
Yes.
Teacher is scared of you.
No.
And teacher likes you.
I'm good boy.
You are a good boy.
Yes. Sir, I don't want to do
Huh? I draw the graph, my friend. You become hot, no?
No.
Cold.
No, sir, don't tell.
And you don't have?
Don't tell.
And it's 24, 25.
Sir, increased temperature.
25.
Sorry, please.
Six.
Decrease, honest, decrease, honest. Okay, make the graph. Let's see who will make it properly. Graph. This man, lazy man. Neat graph. Whose graph is neat? That's the one I want. What is the maximum height of the bar?
31.8.
31.8. Okay.
So I have to go 31 centimeter.
You don't take 10, 20, 30, in 3 centimeters it will be over.
Okay.
That is not the good graph. You can take either multiples of 4, even multiples of 2 also. 2 count. 2 also you can take. But that will be
Too
big.
much.
8
4
centimeter.
Four.
4 is a 30.
Either 4 take now. 4, 8, 16. What is it? You people are looking, that's why he is doing actions. Neglect. Do the graph. Neat graph. Don't take 10, 20, 30. In 3 centimeter graph will be over.
Start taking 4.
Take 4 at least. If you want to take 2, 4, 6, you can take. That will be little higher, long. 4, 8. Ideal is 4, 8, 12, 16.
So 8 times we have 8 centimeters.
So 8 centimeter.
You can take 4.
4, 4, 4, 4 you can take, no problem. 2 if you want to take, it will be in 16 centimeter, it will be over. 4 is enough. 4, 8. 10, if those are taking 10, I will not accept.
So only till 32.
31.8 is a figure, na? For 32. I wanted to see the height, how many of you marked properly. Do you know how to divide properly? That's all.
32. Only till 32.
No.
So it will be exact point.
It should not be too big and too slow. Let's see.
Sir, how do we point in this?
Let's see. Use your brain. Let's see.
Hi, point pen.
Hmm.
एक में तीन चार So we should only serial number or the whole name.
As you online, you can just paste it there or below. You can write or inside the bar. You can write.
It was a very big name.
Hard to do, no. Hmm. Who did? Anandar. Hmm. Not even one graph. It is leaking here.
कौन सा लेके गया था क्लास?
Yes, it is.
अरे
Done. Go.
sign.
Arey, another 5 minutes he will do na.
No. Sir, he will send my home absent.
No, he is there.
Present to sign it.
Present. Okay, Madhu. Okay, you are present. You cannot be hiding, no. Still now. Not yet. One is done. Why you writing with the pen? Don't write the graph in the pen, okay?
Okay.
Don't use any looking better, okay, good. So he did it 2, good, better. 31.8, 31 is. This is good, okay. 1 unit is equal to 2 centimeter. Only the problem is don't use with the
Pen.
pen. Graph look good.
So that
Space also is there. Okay. The respiratory conditions. Okay. This one little more shorter right off. A B C D 1 2 3 also you can write over here. Okay. Your graph. So you draw. Oh madam,
yes.
why you did this one? What is the first one?
What?
Why ulta read? Why did you change the
I
order?
went from down to up. I went down to up, sorry.
Down to.
I started from 6 to 4.
Nahin, you have to ulta. Don't do this one. Okay. It should be done in opposite only. Okay, 31.8 will be 20. Second one is what? 24 point. 24 point.
25.
25 point. So 4. 1 centimeter is 4. So half is 2. 1/4 is. It's near to the middle. Okay. Little more above.
Okay.
Like that you have to do. What he has done is better way. Okay. 2 is taken. It was very convenient for him.
Yes, sir.
Show the graph. So show you. Because that divisions has to be 4 will do it, but division you have to be careful. Okay. 5 is taking also it's small only. 2 was very good. Okay. Now let me see Mr. Tanish.
No.
Why? Show here. Show na.
Sir, what should I change?
That 25 point little height difference. So
Okay.
that this graph is show me
All thing is equal.
nahi, everything is unequal na.
Yes.
That graph you will get 0 mark.
I know.
I know you wasted one graph paper. I will. I'm done. Okay, next 2 more people have to wait. We have to give maximum 10 minutes for a complete everything. The graph. Done. Quick. I wanted to make one more graph, but 6:18 only. Alright, so Aditi, where is your graph? What? Bring it now. Alright, how much time is taking?
What an
That all later. What are you doing in the box? Remaining scale later. Scale you forget now. Remaining you get it now. I will tell the scale later. She has to do and she is making scale. So that you do first now. Quicker. And Dia also. Two people. Bring it here. Let's see. Bring it here. Let me check the heights. That's the important one I wanted to see. Bring. Pencil scale. Graph. Thirty-two, 31.8, little more down, okay? And 25.2. This is 26. How many are there? 6 are there, no? Where you?
I was doing it, I told you.
22, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 more are there, no?
Yes.
One last one is this is 4.2 or 3. Little 4.3, little above 4.2, little. Okay. If you are doing 2, 4 is perfect, it will come. Okay. This 2, 4, yeah, she also did 2, 4.
So I'm going home because I've done
Lucas, don't ask me all these things. MEPS, you ask, tell what one. Madam and tell, not to me. I am not the MEPS one, okay? 22, 4. Okay. Heights are okay. This is which one? 25.4. This is too high now. 25.4 is coming as this much only. This is 25.8 or something. 4 now. This is 25. This is 4. How is it coming? 4 is here only now. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So your graph also is not correct now, Tanish. You are the only one graph. Nothing is correct. This way is not work. I'll show everyone. My friends graph. I'll see your friends are there. I'll show everyone. Come here. You come here. You wait over there.
No.
Ah.
I will show you
I will show you
on Tuesday.
Why Tuesday?
No, Saturday.
Why Saturday? Why not today?
तेरा पहले नीचे पता नहीं होगा हाँ मतलब ये पे लूप है